This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
I see you scrolling all over the internet looking for that over-the-top recipe to set your holiday meal apart. Look no further. Stop right here. Watch this entire video. We're going to show you cranberry relish. This is not the junk that you buy and you open up the can and it slides out like dog food. This isn't your Aunt Mabel's cranberry sauce that tastes sour and you don't want to put it next to your turkey because it turns your turkey pink. It absorbs that color. You know what I'm talking about, Jeff. I'm speaking to you, Larry. Tama, Jessica, April, I'm speaking to all you guys. We're going to amplify your holiday meal this year with some delicious cranberry relish. We're going to show you how to make it from scratch. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's going to be over the top. You're going to enjoy it. Please stay tuned. To begin this holiday staple, we're going to start outside at the RT 700. It's rolling right along at 375. We're burning the delicious Kingsford cherry wood pellet today. It's going to give us some delicious sweetness added to our cranberry relish. I'm going to zest 4 lemons and get the juice of 4 lemons. I'm going to zest, juice, and get the insides of 4 oranges, and we're going to head outside. Okay, guys? Let's get started. All right, we just pulled our relish out of the refrigerator. We let it cool down for about an hour so we can actually handle it. Now is the time to put it in our containers. We're going to put it some in these little mini pots. We're also going to put some in this large white dish. But you can see here, it is starting to harden and coagulate already. And I like my relish a lot thicker. At this point, if you wanted to, you can actually break up those cranberries and to make the relish a lot smoother. But around my house, we like it super, super thick and chunky. So that's how we're going to leave it today. All right, this is going to go back in the fridge, and we're going to let this cool for another 24 hours, and it'll be ready to dive on in. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out with us today. Make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel for more amazing content just like this. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad with recteq, and we'll see you at the recteq.